Hey guys, hello Jamaica, hello to the world.
So
So
I
got,
said hello to the world.
yeah, hello everybody. Gavin and Shauna here. And guess what? We are taking a trip again. We are going to America. So we'll be going to Florida, West Palm Beach.
Yeah. So guess what? We'll just tag you along with us. We
Yeah,
hope you're doing fantastic.
yeah, journey with us guys. This trip will be fun. It's a short trip, but we will take you along with us.
Yeah, I'm not sure if we'll be doing anything extremely adventurous, but I mean, perhaps we could just show you what Palm Beach is about through our eyes, right?
Let's see.
Yeah.
Hey sweetie, where are you going? You're going up? Okay. Yeah,
Also, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, it's not a full flight, but we need you in your assigned seat. The one that is printed in your boarding pass.
Folks, good afternoon. Welcome aboard Spirit Flight 702 Fort Lauderdale. We'll be back here momentarily. Current weather conditions in Fort Lauderdale.
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Pull the mask over you to start the flow of oxygen. Cover your nose and mouth with the mask. Place the elastic band around your head and tie it up fully on the end. Secure your own mask before helping others. Oxygen will be flowing to the mask even though the band may not inflate. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Fasten the buckle and pull on the strap to tie it.
Oh,
Hey people.
hey lovely.
Alright, so we are in West Palm, we are in Fort Lauderdale. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're in Fort Lauderdale, so we are going to be taking the train to West Palm Beach. Yeah, so this is the first time we're not being picked up from the airport.
Here's the bus.
Yeah.
Here's the train.
So we're going to catch a bus to take us to the train station.
It's just a So guys, we're basically on time in terms of we're just in time to catch the bus. So this bus is taking us to the train station.
Yeah. So we're going to catch a train. We're going to catch a train.
How far do we go to get the train? Where? Any stop?
Down there is a ticket booth. You buy the ticket.
Go around to the other side. We're going to West Palm Beach.
Yeah.
That's the train right there.
But we're going to miss it.
Yeah, wait for me.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
So guys, this is the train. Okay folks, so we just missed that train, so we have to catch the other one. Hopefully we don't have to wait long. China is a bit upset that we missed it.
Not
However,
upset?
it was-
No, not upset.
Yeah.
I wanted to get that one, but I'm not upset.
Okay.
Upset is a strong. Not
Yeah, Shana doesn't like to use the word upset. I think she
It's not used
replaces it for annoyed, a bit annoyed that she missed that one. So she's diplomatic with being upset.
So that's why I wanted to wait. Maybe I want to sit in the sun. Maybe I'm missing.
Alright, so these are the tickets. So it's $7.50 per person.
What was one?
Please stand clear. We'll see.
Is it Antoine Gallery? Oh, yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our next station will be the Fort Lauderdale Broward Boulevard station. Next stop, Fort Lauderdale Broward Boulevard.
Seats upstairs available.
Yeah, so now we're in the train and we're heading to Palm Beach.
Ladies and gentlemen, now arriving at Fort Lauderdale Broward Boulevard station. Fort Lauderdale Broward Boulevard is exiting. Please watch your step, watch the doors. Thank you for riding Charlie.
Yes, very.
All aboard, northbound, all aboard. Personal belongings. Thank you for riding Charwell, Deerfield Beach Station.
This is such a kind of.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the next stop will be Boca Raton. Boca Raton Station will be our next stop.
Right, so now we are at Boca Raton. This is the Boca Raton stop.
That's where the show you this.
Final call for Boca Raton, northbound, final call. Please stay clear.
Birds are so friendly. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we just got off the train at West Palm Beach. So we're officially in West Palm Beach. And Florida, West Palm
It's
Beach
chilly.
is not feeling like West Palm Beach. It is quite cold. Yeah.
It's very chilly, very chilly.
Yeah, man. You can look, persons have on their sweater. You know that Florida is usually similar to Jamaica weather. Not right now. Persons are wearing their sweater pretty much. Yeah. There are some guys over here drinking jelly, chopping coconut like they're in Jamaica. Yeah, shine up cool. Yeah, one of my chop them jelly and I drink them jelly. Yeah, man.
I'm just so fun.
Baby, what's your
I
hand?
never remember. Say they're close.